Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox 7.1.10 on Ubuntu 24.04, but the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, first open the web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.wars. Then click on download or download. Click on download. See here the latest release is 7.1.10. Then click on Linux distributions. See here, you can install on Ubuntu 20, 22, 24. Okay, I'm on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so click on Ubuntu 24.04. Once we click down, see download started and its size is 104 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, cd downloads ls. See here we have the VirtualBox 7.1.0 Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i, then give virtual, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have failed to install because this dependency is required. So install it. Sudo apt install. I think before that we have to install Flexbox. See, it is expected. So first we have to run this command. So copy this one, sudo, paste it, hit enter. See, it is installing the dependency. Okay, type I, hit enter, Control L. So again install the same dependency. See, it is already installed. Okay, so now install the VirtualBox 7.1.0 by running the same command. Sudo dpkg -i, then VirtualBox Debian package. Hit enter. See, this time we are not getting any errors. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications. See, here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it to open. See, you got the VirtualBox. Go to help, about VirtualBox. See, here we have installed VirtualBox version number 7.1.0. Close this one. Close this one. Now go back to VirtualBox. Then click on download again. Now install this VirtualBox extension pack. Just select this accept and download. See, it is downloading the extension pack. Click on it to execute. It will open the VirtualBox again. See, this is asking confirmation. Click on install. Now we have to accept this end user license agreement. Come down, then click on I agree. Now we have to authenticate. Provide the password of the sudo user. Authenticate. See, it is installing package. We have successfully installed. Okay. Now if you want to create virtual machine, click on new or machine. Go to select new. Both are same to create the virtual machine. We have to provide the name, then we have to select the location to store the virtual machine files and folders. Then we have to select the ISO image. Then we have to follow the steps. Okay, so this is the way. Go to terminal, ls. This file is not required anymore because we have successfully installed. rm, give virtual, give the tab. We have cleared the space. Okay, also remove this one. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.0 and its extension pack on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.